All right, friends. For this part of your lesson, you will need your dictionary page. And your dictionary page has an H on it. It has a capital H, a big H, and a lowercase h. And we will talk about those in just a minute. You will also need a pencil from your box, or from your bag and your box. And you will need your crayons. You can put those on your workspace and get ready. Let's review our sound. The sound is like house. There are different ways that H's are formed. They might look a little different in a book or on a sign, but you have capital H's and lowercase h's. H. House. Hand. Hats. Horse. Hammer. Hamburger. Helicopter. Those words all begin with the sound like house. Let's draw some pictures of things that begin with We're going to trace our H's first. Look at your capital H and your lowercase h. Are they the same? No. Are they similar? Not really. Are they different? Yes, they look pretty different. So the capital H is made up of all straight lines, and the lowercase h is made up of a straight line and a curved line. Let's trace the uppercase H, or the capital. Top line to the baseline, pick it up. Top line to the baseline, pick it up. And go across and connect your two lines. H. Lowercase h, top line to the baseline, walk up the balance beam to the dotted line, down to the baseline. Your pencil can go back into your bag. Let's see. I think that we should draw a hat. Please get any color that you would like your hat to be. I think I'm going to make a green hat. I like the color green. With your crayon, I don't care what color it is, it's up to you. Please draw a rainbow line under your H. Next, draw a line coming out this way a little bit, and on the other side a little bit. Now you're going to connect those lines with a curvy line, and then you're going to make a curved line here and a curved line there and bring it across. I'm going to very lightly color in my hat. I'm going to color the brim green. And I think I want to put a little decoration on my hat. So I'm going to make a flower on my hat. You don't have to. A flower. On my hat. I want my hat to look beautiful. I'm going to color in the center, and I think I'll finish coloring around my flower with green. There's my hat with the decoration. Guess what? We put our pencil away too soon. Please take out your pencil again. I apologize for putting that away so soon, silly Miss Beth. We are going to spell the word hat. How many syllables in the word hat? Remember, when we find syllables, we clap the parts. Hat. How many times did we clap? Yes, once. Hat has one syllable. Let's fingerspell hat. At. There are three sounds. At. First sound, I'm going to hold my paper with my helper hand. Top line to the base line. Walk up the balance beam and back down. Ah. Ah looks like this. Just try. Around, up, and down. At. Now we've had the t lesson, so you know how to do it. Top line to the base line, pick it up, cross it over. Now we spelled the word hat. At. Hat. Should we spell heart or hand? Let's make a hand. Let's see, for today's lesson, I'm going to get this beautiful brown color to make a hand. Now, when I look at my hand, I see a wrist. So I'm going to make a line coming down like that, kind of on an angle. And I'm going to come up like that. And I'm going to bring it around. That's my thumb. Now, I have one thumb. There it is. Thumbs up. Yeah. One thumb. How many fingers do I have? I have 1, 2, 3, 4 more fingers. One thumb, 4 fingers. 5 altogether. And my fingers are kind of taller, so I'm going to go up from here, and I'm going to go up and down. 1, up and down. 2, up and down. 3, and 1 more. Up and down. 4. So now I should have 5 fingers. Let's see. 1, there's a thumb. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 fingers. Now I'm going to come down like that and connect those two. Now I have a hand, and on my hand I see fingernails. So I'm going to draw a rainbow line like that and connect. There's one fingernail. Up here we're going to draw another rainbow line and connect. Draw a rainbow line and connect. Draw a rainbow line inside your finger and connect. Draw another rainbow line and connect. Now I have fingernails. Fingernails. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fingernails. Take whatever color you chose to make your hand, peach or brown, and color in your hand. I am not going to color over my fingernails yet because I want to put some nail polish on my fingernails. You don't have to. You can leave your nails just the way they are, or you can put some nail polish on your fingernails too. That's a choice. You have a choice. Okay, so my fingernails, I think I want to paint them pink. Pink, you stink. No, I'm gonna make my fingernails pink. There, now I have a hand. Let's see how many syllables in the word hand. Hand. One syllable again. Let's fingerspell hand. Remember, you can do it this way. And. Or you can put your fingers on the table. And. So first sound is top line to the base line, up to the dotted line, down to the baseline. Ah. Just like this, ah. Around, up, and down. Ah, Looks like this. It's like a short H. Isn't that crazy? Ah, d. Around, up, and back down. Hand. I finished the word hand. And. Hand. H says like hat and hand. You are finished with your dictionary page. Please turn your paper over, and at the very bottom, I want you to put your name. I made my name very small at the bottom. Please put this dictionary page back in your folder so it's ready to be turned in on Friday. Put your pencil back in your bag and into your box. Close your crayons. Make sure all your crayons are inside. Look on your table and the floor and put those away in your box. Friends, thank you for joining me for these lessons. I hope you enjoyed them. And I hope that they all made you very happy. I'll see you soon. Have a good night. Thank you.